Yeah, if you're ready to have fun and play, let's see what the new challenge is today. Kennedy's here to show you what to do, and you're invited into Kennedy Toys Room. Yeah, hey, Kennedy Toys Room. Yeah, Kennedy Toys Room. Yeah, Kennedy Toys Room. Yeah, yeah, Kennedy Toys.
Hi guys, today we are gonna do some cooking. In the last video we did some cooking and the SpongeBob cake didn't really turn out. So we're gonna do something different. Pigs in a blanket, aka sausage rolls. I got my assistant here, Mommy, in all of my videos. So we're just gonna start.
Alright, so what do we have, Kennedy?
We have some
dried yeast.
Dried yeast, flour, milk, salt, yogurt, egg, and sugar. And what is this called again?
So we'll have two different types of flour. One is some organic whole wheat flour, and the other one is some organic unbleached flour, so normal flour.
So what we're going to start with?
Okay, so first, what's important is we want to make sure that the yeast gets to grow under the right circumstances.
So tell me when to stop, okay?
Okay, yeah. So
can you help me open it, please?
So what we'll do is we'll measure the flour. Okay.
Okay.
So you will need a spoon. Okay. So you want to measure 1 cup of wholemeal flour.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay. This time around,
we're doing some different flour.
Yes. This time around, we'll use this flour. So how about you hold the cup and I pour?
Okay.
Okay?
This looks like real snow, but it's just that it looks a little crusty and it has these big lumps and it doesn't feel like snow.
Okay, so you pour it in.
Ooh, it just looks the same, but it's just that it's a little darker.
Yeah, the first one was a bit darker, right? And then another one.
Okay. Comment down below if you ever made sausage rolls.
Alright, so now we got all the flour, right? Then we need to add the salt and the sugar. Okay.
Okay.
So we need 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So I'm going to give you a teaspoon. Okay. Alright. So can you give me 1 teaspoon of salt? That's good. So you put that in. Alright.
I'm going to make a cake. I'm going to make a cake.
Alright. And then you're going to take a tablespoon of sugar.
It smells good.
Alright.
Okay, this looks like egg because this could be the yolk, the outside.
Okay, and then we mix it.
Okay.
So now it's properly mixed. Go like this, and then we're going to put it in the microwave.
Ooh, microwave. Well, look at all this flour.
Then we're just going to give it 30 seconds. Then, in the meantime, we will make the watery stuff. Okay.
So we see that our little flour is all done. Now we're going to put the milk in.
Yes. So we take half a cup of milk. That's good. That's very nice. And then, you're going to take this great yogurt.
I love yogurt.
A teaspoon of yogurt and fill it in here.
Fill it.
Yes, in here.
Okay,
so pour that in too.
Yeah.
1/3 cup of olive oil. Practice makes perfect. That's enough. Yep. And then we put that in there too. Alright, so when that has been done, you need to mix this. And the last thing that needs to go in there is something you're really good at cracking.
Eggs.
Yes.
Okay, let's.
So go get your egg and crack it into the bowl. Get your finger in there. Yeah, you got it. Did you get all the egg white too? Now the yeast, Kennedy, the flour has the perfect temperature. It's just lukewarm. Can you feel? It's not cold, it's not hot, right?
It's nice.
Yeah. So then we take this.
Yeah.
And then you pour it into, you pour the yeast into, no, in here, into the flour. So the trick is that one has to pour a bit of flour and bit by bit, and the other one has to stir. So what do you want to do? You want to pour or you want to stir?
I want to stir.
You want to stir. So you stir, and I will add some of this flour bit by bit. Got it? And now comes the fun part. You're going to pour a bit of flour out on the table.
When we get it out and we rub it with our hands.
Exactly. Now you are going to take everything that's in that bowl and pour it out on the table.
Do all of this right now.
So let's leave it to rest for maybe an hour.
That would be too.
And then after that we'll make the sausage rolls.
Yeah.
Alright?
Sausage rolls. So we wait for our time and it's finally done. So let's go check it out, how much it rised. Whoa! With our sausage roll, and it came really big. It looks like a pancake to me. But I don't know how it's gonna get a sausage roll. So what do we do to make it a sausage roll, Mommy?
Yeah, what do we do? So first take it out. It's weird, right?
Wait.
Put it here.
What is this?
And
What is
then
this? Wait, can I see?
put some of this on the rolling pin and you start rolling.
Whoa, this looks so cool. Feels like I'm making pizza.
Let's go to pizza. Sounds
Yeah, they look like a taco.
like a taco.
Okay.
Now, what we need is now we need to cut them into small triangles.
So how we'll do that? We need a knife.
We do.
Oh.
Go like this.
In the middle. Whoa, that's like a slice. That's like a pizza slice.
And then you have two triangles here. So then you got one here.
Can I try? Ooh, a pizza, yeah.
And you got one here.
Can I try?
Yeah, of course.
So this. This. Like this.
Yeah, that's also a triangle. Yep. Next step is we need some paste, tomato paste.
Oh, can you
And
put some
so
on?
what we'll do is we'll take some of this tomato paste. We'll put it in. No. Okay, so then you gotta mix it with the ketchup. So you take some of the ketchup and then you mix it.
So pretty as ketchup. Well, see, that's enough. I don't want to be too soury.
Yeah?
I want to just a little bit more first. Just a little.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
Can I mix?
Yeah.
You can take that spoon out. It looks like red sauce. Because it is. It's different. It's going to be sour and sweet at the same time. That would be really cool. Wonder what it will taste like.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like we're making pizza because this could be the sauce, this could be the cheese, the flour, and this could be the dough, and this could be the adding stuff.
That's true. That's true.
That could be a pizza.
So why don't we put some more
Ketchup.
Yeah, that's it. I think this should be enough then. Then you can close this.
Whoa! Look at this. This looks so cool.
So now you gotta put some Italian herbs in there.
Oh, I love them. That's too much.
I'm gonna put some garlic powder in there.
Ooh, that's so.
Gotta put some pepper in there too.
Oh, I love pepper.
Well, that's good. Where's pepper?
Pepper here.
I love Italian herbs. Maybe I'm gonna put a bit more of the Italian herbs. So what did we put on? We put pepper, we put Italian herb, and do you know what the last one was?
Green,
It's white.
white,
So that's
Italian, garlic, Italian?
No, garlic powder.
Oh, close.
Okay, so you mix that?
Ooh, it's so cool and so reddish.
Yeah.
This is the sauce and that stuff, the dough, and that's all the addings.
Okay.
The cheese and flour.
So this is what we're gonna put inside our sausage rolls.
Now we're gonna put the sausage roll.
Do you know which part of the triangle is going to go?
Let's see this one.
So you have a top that's narrow, and then you have a bottom that's wider.
Okay.
So you put the sausage on the wider side, and then you start
Like
rolling, like that, exactly. And
it's
look,
just so easy.
it's so easy. And then if you want, you can turn this a little bit into like a croissant by shaping it into a moon.
So we're back, and our sausage is in the oven right now. It will take a little time for it to cool down.
Do you want me to take them out?
Yes, this is. Okay. Well, she's doing that. I'm gonna do this again.
Oh, careful, they're hot, they're hot. Look at that, huh?
I wish you could smell it.
Careful, it's hot.
I just need to eat one in my tummy.
And you're gonna have both?
Uh-huh.
See, so then I'll...
Have them eat them and get my chocolate milk.
Okay.
I hope you give me a big thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Watch all my videos.
Yeah, if you're ready to have fun and play, let's see what the new challenge is today. Kennedy's here to show you what to do, and you're